Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb so you can get some peace without missing something important. This video is going to be short and sweet and simple. So the fastest way to do that is to swipe down from the top right corner to open up the control center. And then you tap Focus, and then you choose Do Not Disturb. Now, if you want to set a timer, or have other customizations, select the three dots to the right. And here you have a choice of picking 1 hour or choose until I leave this location, which is super helpful if you're like running errands or you need some downtime or just a break. You can also customize so that important people can get through even though your Do Not Disturb is turned on. And to do that, you're going to go into settings. So let me go into my other screen and select settings. And then I'm going to scroll down and tap focus. And you're going to choose a focus mode that you like Do Not Disturb. And then you can allow certain people or apps. It's already customized so that if you have a favorites list set up, those favorites will get through, like your kids or your spouse, and everything else will stay quiet. You don't have to do this part for those that are already set up in your favorites list. That's honestly the best and easiest way I know how to fix this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.